Just the time I feel that I belong in a manner of self. Just the time I feel my mind's being bought by worldly wealth. Just when the breeze begins to blow, I know the Spirit's gone, and all my worldly wanderings just fell into His love. Within my soul, I want to know you. Oh, I want to know you. Feel your heart and know your mind. Looking in your eyes, there's up within me. Eyes that say, I want to know you. Oh, I want to know you. And my daily deeds ordinarily lose life and song. My heart begins to bleed sensitivity to Him is gone. I've run the race, but set my own pace and face a shattered soul. Now the gentle arms of Jesus warm my hunger to behold.